I think I found the perfect travel AC adapter system for my laptops on the go, as well as all my other USB devices, including USB-C. Check it out. All right, so this is the LV Sun USB-C Universal AC Adapter. It's got Qualcomm Quick Charge 3.0 technology, and as you can see, USB-C right there, along with 4 different ports. What's interesting about this product versus all the other ones that are being sold online right now is that this will go for about $50 US. But what's unique about this one versus all the other ones that are on sale right now is that this one actually comes with a bunch of laptop adapters. So you have stuff for your Lenovo laptops, you know, your old school laptops. I have one for the Samsung, a bunch of these other ones, compact, a bunch of all these are all fairly standard plugs. The only one that seems to be missing is, of course, the MacBook adapters. It even comes with a cheap little USB-C cable, which I would not recommend, but it comes with one. So the way this works is you actually get a USB cable on one end that converts to this type of adapter that will work with all the different adapters it includes. The one I have right now works with the Samsung Notebook 9 Pro, and I've seen a couple of other ones on here that recognize for Sony laptops, you know, IBM laptops or IBM/Lenovo laptops, some old Dell laptops, things like that. ASUS notebooks, all of that works. So this plugs into one of the Quick Charge 3 cables, and this will output a maximum of 80 watts. So you definitely need to keep that in mind. Across all of the ports, it's a maximum of 80 watts only. So if I am plugging this in right here, I'm probably pulling up to about 60 watts because that's what the Samsung Notebook 9 Pro pulls when it's actually doing the charging. So that leaves maybe about 20 watts left, which means that I can plug in 2 other ports in here and go ahead and charge up iPads, iPhones, any other smart devices, or plug in USB-C port right here and charge maybe my MacBook in idle mode. So I've had this for a couple of days. It seems to work out pretty well. I don't foresee any particular problems with it. This is made of, I believe, an aluminum exterior. It feels like it anyway. The rest of this inside here is plastic, typical quality, but for $50, it's really a little bit more difficult to complain. I've never heard of LV Sun before, but they've been apparently doing this since 2000, so they must know a thing or two. Most likely, this is an OEM product where they make a lot of other chargers for other manufacturers that then rebrand them. So anyways, I think you should go ahead and check this out, and I'm going to be taking this for the next month pretty much as my main charger for both my notebooks, cameras, and the 2 laptops that I'm bringing. All right, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.